Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a minute here and share one of the tools that we use behind the scenes at Property Revolution. The tool is called Company Cam. It's a photo and document sharing tool that we can use both on our phones and on the computer. All of our team have an app on their phone so that they can take pictures, and what's really cool is if we're at your home and we create a file for your project and we take some pictures, it automatically geotags those photos and puts them in that file. So it creates a really nice high level of organization of each project and the things that we do at each specific home. And so I kind of wanted to show how we utilize that. So if you take a look at my screen, you can see our Company Cam dashboard here. And then we've got all these different folders with specific project information. And I'm just pulling one up here that's a deck project. And I'm just going to scroll all the way down back to the beginning, and we can kind of see how the project unfolded. And what's nice about this is if there's any doubt or any questions that come up, hey, did this get taken care of? Or even on the planning side, like, hey, how's this going to go together? We have really nice photos showing all the planning and then all the steps of the project. So first we can kind of see here what this place looked like before we got there. They had this little tiny deck and obviously wanted something a little more substantial and useful. Amanda, one of our project consultants, she went out and met with this homeowner, planned the project out, chose some specific deck boards to use. She took some photos to make sure that our team knew what the job site looked like before they got there. Kind of photos from every angle. She has her tape measure in a photo showing the height of the deck. That's important for planning and permitting. She did an initial drawing and then loaded that in here. And then we have a checklist that every project consultant has to fill out after they do a consultation on a job, and it moves forward through our process. And then we do drawings for the build, and those are the same drawings that we turn in to pull a permit. So you can see we've got our drawings loaded in here, and again, our entire team has access to this. So if someone wants to look at it or has a question, they just go right to this information. We've got our material list, and then you can start to see where the project took off and started to unfold. We always require our team to take a picture of the material on the job site in case there's any questions about if something was missing on the order. We've got our building permit checklist, checking to make sure that all the material was received that was ordered. If there's anything missing, we try to catch it on the first day. That way we can plan accordingly. You can see our team wanted a couple more pieces of J channels, so they took a picture with the number on it so that we knew exactly what to order. And then you can see the project kind of taking off here. So this is a deck project, and one thing that's really important is making sure that your footings are installed properly. And so you can see each photo has a picture of the tape measure down in the hole showing the depth of the footing. We do that just to document and make sure that everything's above board. So you can see that we have all the holes and all the proper depths. They put some caution tape around them while we were waiting for our footing inspection, kind of got the material staged. That little sticker is for our footing inspection. The inspector approved it. So we document all these things, and then you can start to see the project unfold. This is the first day of framing. Joist tape was installed. We have to install fasteners at certain patterns, so we've got those there. The attachment to the house is an important piece of this. So again, you can just see where the team's just documented every little step of the way. We've got a framing inspection, so this is approved. And then it continues on. You can see they're starting to lay out the deck boards, picture framing, framing the stairs. And then a few more days goes by and they've got some decking on, handrail posts. And then kind of some final details. This project's not quite done, but wanted to use this one because I think it's a good example of what we use this tool for. So you can see the stairs, you can see the lighting that's installed. And then at the end of the project, we'll have loaded in here final completion photos. So this is just kind of how we use the Company Cam tool. Again, It helps our team communicate internally, also creates really good documentation in case there's any questions about specific steps that have to take place as part of the project. So just wanted to take a second and share this tool and how we use it here at Property Revolution.